Hi there, and thanks for watching our live chat job training video. We will go over the necessary abilities and professional tips in this video to help you succeed as a live chat support agent. We can help, regardless of your level of experience or desire to advance your abilities. Let us first examine the reasons why live chat assistance is so important to companies nowadays. Customers are becoming more accustomed to communicating online, as you can see. Real-time communication with customers through live chat is a practical and efficient approach to promptly address their needs and concerns. It is time to talk about the essential abilities required to succeed in this position. Since you will be typing most of the time, writing must be clear and succinct. Take note of the questions that clients ask in order to provide pertinent responses. Resolving customer issues will frequently require quick thinking on your part. Show understanding and compassion towards customers' concerns. Next, let's explore some best practices for live chat support. Be as prompt as you can when responding to them. Aim for a response time of under a minute. Use the customer's name and personalize your responses to make them feel valued. Familiarize yourself with your company's products and services to provide accurate information. Maintain a friendly and positive tone in your interactions. Sometimes you'll encounter challenging situations. Here's how to handle them. Stay calm and use de-escalation techniques when dealing with upset customers. Know when to escalate an issue to a higher level of support. Even if it was not your fault, express your regret for any inconvenience. In summary, providing live chat support is a useful ability that can lead to a variety of job options. You can succeed in this position and deliver top-notch customer service if you have the appropriate abilities and habits. We appreciate you viewing our live chat webinar for job training. Do not forget that practice makes perfect. Take that, and go strike up a confident conversation. Good luck with your live chat career. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. For more information, click the link in the description.